Rolls-Royce and Bentley are officially panicking because Mercedes has just done the unthinkable. The brand new 2027 Mercedes-Maybach S900 has officially broken cover, and it doesn't just push the boundaries of absolute opulence, it completely obliterates them. We are talking about a machine that makes standard six-figure luxury sedans look like economy rental cars, a rolling palace explicitly engineered to reclaim total global dominance over the ultra-luxury market. But while the initial teasers highlight the breathtaking digital overhaul and a presence that demands absolute submission from anyone else on the road, Mercedes is keeping quiet about a massive engineering gamble. Hidden deep beneath this car's gorgeous, two-tone paintwork is a devastating engineering choice that could either solidify this car as the greatest flagship ever created, or mark the beginning of the end for the legendary V12 lineage, a shocking detail we will reveal at the very end of this video. From the very first glance, the visual impact of the S900 is utterly mesmerizing. The front fascia is dominated by a completely reimagined, towering Maybach radiator grille featuring illuminated vertical slats and a glowing outline that pierces through the darkness. For the first time, subtle touches of genuine rose gold are intricately woven into the twin-star headlamps, complementing a gleaming chrome lower fascia stamped with the iconic repeating Maybach pattern. As you walk down its massive, elongated silhouette, your eyes are immediately drawn to the new 21-inch multi-spoke forged wheels featuring a floating center star that stays perfectly upright even while spinning at highway speeds. Look closely at the C-pillars, and you will see the legendary double M emblem now illuminated with a soft, ethereal glow. Step inside, and the front cabin completely resets expectations with the debut of the advanced Mercedes-Benz operating system and the monumental MBUX superscreen. This massive glass panel stretches from door to door, seamlessly integrating a 14.4-inch central display with dedicated 12.3-inch screens for both the driver and the passenger. It is an artificial intelligence-driven nerve center that learns your habits, preconditions the cabin before you even think about it, and renders gorgeous Maybach-exclusive graphics in real time. If you are loving this deep dive into the absolute peak of automotive engineering, make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash the like button right now so you never miss our daily breakdowns of the world's most exclusive hypercars and luxury cruisers. Moving past the automatically opening comfort doors into the rear cabin reveals where the true magic happens. This is not a back seat. It is a first-class sanctuary, wrapped in bespoke leather, that takes over 16,000 synchronized needles to stitch together. The executive seats recline to a near-flat angle, complete with extended calf rests, hot stone massage programs, and an active road noise compensation system that uses the 30-speaker Burmester sound system to beam inverse frequencies directly into your ears, creating an eerie, absolute silence. Between the seats sits a dedicated refrigerated compartment housing silver-plated champagne flutes, all while the active ambient lighting bathes the cabin in exclusive shades of amethyst glow and rose gold. But now we have to look under the hood, because this is where the real controversy begins. The S900 designation hints at a monumental leap, but the truth is a massive shock to automotive purists worldwide. To achieve the mind-boggling 900 horsepower output suggested by its name, Mercedes did not upgrade their legendary twin-turbo V12. Instead, they have officially killed the pure internal combustion setup for this top-tier model. The 2027 Maybach S900 is actually powered by a highly complex, heavily electrified twin-turbo V8 plug-in hybrid system. While it delivers relentless, instant torque that launches this multi-ton fortress to 60 miles per hour in a staggering 3.5 seconds, it strips away the pure, uninterrupted mechanical soul of the old-school V12. For a car expected to command a price tag easily pushing past the $300,000 mark before customization, this hyper-complex hybrid setup introduces a ticking time bomb of long-term reliability issues and depreciation that might just make billionaire collectors think twice before signing the dotted line.